Philips Hue offers a range of smart bulbs known for their vibrant colors, seamless connectivity, and versatile control options. Whether you're seeking mood lighting or automation, these top 5 Philips Hue smart bulbs stand out for their innovative features, energy efficiency, and user-friendly experience. Number 1. Philips Hue A19 LED Smart Light Bulb. The Philips Hue A19 LED Smart Light Bulb is a versatile addition to any smart home, offering both functionality and ambience. What's in the box includes 360W equivalent white and color Ambience A19 bulbs, perfect for illuminating any room with ease. With millions of colors and adjustable white tones, you can create the perfect atmosphere for every occasion, from warm, relaxing evenings to vibrant, colorful gatherings. For enhanced control, pair the bulbs with a Hue bridge to unlock advanced features like automation, remote access, and a stable connection that doesn't rely on Wi-Fi. Plus, with Matter compatibility, integrating with other smart devices becomes seamless. The bulbs come with preset scenes designed to match your daily routines, including a 24-hour natural light setting that mimics sunlight for a balanced environment. Whether you need focused lighting for work or a calming glow to unwind, it's all at your fingertips. Convenient voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant makes managing your lights effortless. Additionally, dynamic light effects allow for a personalized experience, adding subtle changes in brightness and color. The Philips Hue A19 bulbs are a brilliant solution for those looking to enhance their home lighting with smart, customizable options. Number 2. Philips Hue Motion Sensor Plus White Ambience LED Smart Bulb. The Philips Hue Motion Sensor Plus White Ambience LED Smart Bulb Kit combines convenience, automation, and vibrant lighting to elevate any home. What's in the box includes 2 75W equivalent Hue White and color Ambience A19 bulbs and 1 wireless Hue motion sensor, making it ideal for general lighting with a smart twist. With millions of color options and adjustable white tones from warm to cool, these bulbs allow you to create the perfect ambience for any occasion. Whether it's a cozy evening or a lively gathering, the bulbs can dim, brighten, or change colors instantly with ease. The Hue motion sensor adds an extra layer of automation. Battery-powered and wireless, it can be mounted anywhere and automatically triggers the lights when motion is detected, perfect for hallways, entryways, or hands-free lighting in any room. Pairing this set with a Hue bridge unlocks its full potential, offering remote control, automation, and seamless Matter integration for broader smart home compatibility. Voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant provides hands-free convenience, allowing you to manage lighting with simple commands. This kit is a smart choice for anyone seeking intuitive, responsive lighting with endless customization possibilities, making your home both smarter and more comfortable. Number 3. Philips Hue Smart Light Starter Kit. The Philips Hue Smart Light Starter Kit is a perfect introduction to smart lighting, offering a seamless blend of functionality and style. What's in the box includes 1 Hue bridge and 4 75W equivalent Hue White and color Ambience A19 bulbs, suitable for most fixtures. Whether you're enhancing general lighting or creating a decorative ambience, this kit has you covered. The included Hue bridge unlocks the full potential of your lighting system, enabling remote control, automations, and a stable, secure connection without overloading your Wi-Fi. With Matter compatibility, integrating other smart home devices is effortless. Choose from millions of colors and adjustable white tones, ranging from warm to cool, to set the perfect mood for any occasion. The bulbs can dim, brighten, and instantly transform your space. Preset scenes make it easy to adjust lighting throughout the day, from energizing daylight to relaxing evening glows. Enjoy hands-free voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant, and further personalize your experience with dynamic light effects in the Hue app. This starter kit is an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their home with smart, customizable, and energy-efficient lighting solutions. Number 4. Philips Hue Smart 60W A19 LED Bulb. The Philips Hue Smart 60W A19 LED bulb is a simple yet powerful way to upgrade your home lighting with smart features and a cozy ambience. What's in the box includes 2 soft warm white 60W equivalent A19 bulbs, ideal for general lighting in any room. Whether you're creating a welcoming glow in the living room or a relaxing vibe in the bedroom, these bulbs offer versatile illumination. For enhanced functionality, add a hue bridge to unlock automations, remote control from anywhere, and a stable connection that won't drain your Wi-Fi. With Matter compatibility, integrating your smart devices into a unified system is easy and efficient. The soft white light is dimmable, letting you set the perfect brightness for any occasion, from a bright and energizing morning to a warm and soothing evening. Adjusting your lights is effortless with voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant, allowing hands-free operation. Create the ideal atmosphere for any moment, whether it's a lively family gathering or an intimate dinner with a soft amber glow. The Philips Hue Smart LED bulb is an excellent choice for those seeking customizable, smart lighting with a warm and inviting touch. Number 5. Philips Hue Smart 60W GU10 LED bulb. The Philips Hue Smart 60W GU10 LED bulb offers a dynamic way to enhance your home lighting with vibrant colors and smart features. What's in the box includes 2 white and color ambient 60W equivalent GU10 bulbs, perfect for general or accent lighting in any room. Their sleek design fits most recessed or spotlight fixtures, making them ideal for kitchens, living rooms, or bedrooms. These bulbs deliver millions of colors and adjustable white tones from warm to cool, giving you the flexibility to set the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Whether it's a bright, energizing morning or a calming evening glow, you can easily dim or brighten the lights to suit your mood. Pairing with a Hue Bridge unlocks advanced features like remote control, automation, and a stable connection that won't burden your Wi-Fi. With Matter compatibility, integrating your smart home devices is seamless. The bulbs come with preset scenes to match your daily routines, including a natural light setting that mimics the sun. Additionally, voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant makes adjusting your lights effortless. The Philips Hue GU10 LED bulb is a versatile, smart lighting solution that adds both style and convenience to any space.